Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Bolex Repair Philippines and Morbid Team Entertainment. Welcome to the 8th installment of a CLA and overhaul of a Bolex D8L. As we can see, I've reinstalled the front of the camera after overhauling the viewfinder, external light meter, putting the lenses back on, and I've done this for right now so I can test the optics. And I've done this and they're extremely crystal clear, especially for a camera this age. And also, I'm going to test the motor and wind that up and give that a test. So let's get that going right now. Alright, so let's give it some cranks. Turn it around here, open it up, and let's take a look inside how well everything's going to operate. This is at 16 frames per second. Looking and sounding really good. That sounds really nice. Okay, a lot more to go on this Bolex, so let's continue with it. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test the optics of this camera, the viewfinder that we cleaned all the fungus out of, and check how clear it is. So, checking out the bush here, the purple flowers, the greenery, and the optics are really clear. It's a really big improvement. When I first got it and it arrived, it had all the fungus inside the external viewfinder right there. We had to take it all the way apart and clean it. It's a big improvement. Let's keep moving on. A little tip here when working on a D8L, up here at the light meter viewfinder, if you have a screwdriver that's not magnetized, just rub it right over here, the viewfinder, external, understanding there's a magnet inside of there, and when you got your screws, it helps you to install them easier as they're magnetized. I'm going to put the base plate back in here for a while and test the counter. More to go. Okay, so I've reassembled the Bolex in order to test the motor, turnkey sound, and the film counter here. See if it's sluggish, there's any friction, any noise. So let's close it up. And we're going to give it some cranks. Let's see if it gives any noise. Full 22 half cranks on a Bolex. No more. Bolex claims you can't break it, but you can. Stop at 22 half cranks. There's some friction in the in there, and it makes some noise, so I don't like that. So what we're going to do, for sure in time, is continue overhauling and remove the motor part here and that entire mechanism. Remove any old grease and dirt, and clean that up. Now, let's take a look at the film counter. See it right up in here. seems sluggish to me. So what we're going to do is get in there and do some more work. Hope you've enjoyed this 8th installment of a CLA and overhaul on a Bolex D8L. Do subscribe to my videos, my channel rather, and put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.